going to watch the movie. I won't eat lunch. I am not going to eat lunch. Will Jenny call us? Is Jenny going to call us? How fast can tornado travel?
300
miles per
hour.
When is tornado formed? When warm air and cool air meet in the sky. Why are they called twisters? Because they are rotating. Describe why tornado is dangerous. This cause of
Violent
can pick up cars,
uproot trees.